And it's time now for the business review. Here's TVJ's Dashan Hendricks.
No bank, no worries.
Vice President of Alliance Investment Management Robert Chin launching the company's latest innovation, a prepaid MasterCard targeting the unbanked.
This partnership with MasterCard, this will help us to serve, as has been said, the underbanked in Jamaica, the unbanked.
That aim aligns with the desire of the government to improve access of Jamaicans to financial services. MasterCard, along with the World Bank, is on board with doing so worldwide. Its Alliance-branded card has specific benefits for Jamaica.
It's going to change the lives of people who otherwise participate solely with cash. Imagine being able, at least from a government and city's perspective, to have government disbursements going directly into a prepaid product, or the ability to really participate where only debit and credit cards have been able to participate before.
The technology currently deployed by us allows us flexibility to offer a wide range of value-added services that will integrate within the MasterCard platform.
This specific card launches on Friday, May 11. The company hopes to have 85% of its customers using its MoneyGram remittance service to transfer those monies to its prepaid card to help bring more people into financial services. Jamaica has its own indicators.
Two important indicators, ladies and gentlemen, relevant to determining the increased access is going to be the percentage of direct benefit transfers, such as path benefits that are paid using electronic payment products, and the number of remittance agents. There's been a slight increase in remittance agents from 422 to 425 year over year, 16 to 17. But the number of path beneficiaries using electronic payment products was only 13% in 2016. And that is a number that the government is committed to increasing.
He said it will come with policies protecting the vulnerable. Coupled with the impending national ID system needs, access to financial services should improve in the years ahead. To date, the Bank of Jamaica has authorized 4 e-payment services.
But it is time for Jamaica to fully embrace opportunities presented by fintech innovation for enabling financial inclusion and sustainable economic development and growth.
That's the Business Review. I am Dashan Hendricks. Good evening.